Hi, Matt.
Hi,
Where are we, Matt?
Mechanic.
Mackinac. We're in Mackinac City.
At the Clarion Hotel. Or Clarion, whatever.
There's our little view of Lake Michigan, and there's the island. Oh, wait, God. There's the island. Oh, no, I was right. I'm right. I'm not.
I have no idea.
Is it the island?
I don't know. Sure, it's not as UP.
I don't know. There's something that's not what we're on now. Yeah. We're just. Oh, whoa. Hey. We didn't have a video on Wednesday. There won't be. Don't let this video interrupt your coffee needs. There won't be a video on Saturday because Matthew and I are away for a few days. Because life.
Seagull said so.
Yeah, life was stressful. So now we're here in our hotel room watching cable. And we're okay with that. Right? Well, we might show you a little footage of around town when Matthew takes me shopping today. A great stress reliever. Spend
Just hope
money.
we get some ducks. Just see some ducks in Philly.
You're so mean to me.
You can overcome our fear of ducks.
Matthew mocks
I'm
me
sorry.
because on our honeymoon, a duck attacked me and he thinks it's hilarious. Anyways, we'll report back a little bit of our little trip. If you're lucky. No, okay. Anyway, sorry there wasn't a video Sunday or Wednesday. Look, there's people are not watching. It's fine. It's fine.
Alright.
It's okay. I'll tell them that I'm filming a documentary on overweight white people.
Okay.
Anyways, we're gonna go now. Whoa. See you later.